The Nigerian army commander, what they call Musa, they say the man don't come outside to come express his frustration for all the whole issue for inside Biafra land. As e stand at that now, e don claim say na them they follow for the game wey make Finland arrest Simon Ekpa. But I come dey ask, wetin happen? Why una no wan go there, bring the evidence, give Finland, make we see wetin una dey claim for inside Nigeria. But however, before we continue, please follow my page, Pump Info News. Go and follow that page immediately as you dey watch, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe so that you go dey get our update back to back. Okay, my people. So now, why they never go Finland, go prove, bring their evidence, prove, so that the world go see wetin dey happen? No, that they run for Finland. Now they explain their frustration for inside Biafra land. My people, they say the northern Nigeria, these people are crying hard though. They say no be small thing. Say the reform, the tax reform be wey Tinubu wan carry come. Say he go buy all of them. Say they no go survive am. No be small thing, no, my people. We go play the videos for you to watch. But as we play the video, make sure say you share, so that other people go to get the information. Now, what is this tax reform be? You know, say for east we dey drink alcohol, but for north they say no, they be Muslim. But the tax where they come from this alcohol, they also go to the north. My people, watch the full video before we come back.
The recent arrest of Samuel Ekpa, who has been the mastermind pushing this idea of, while he's there in comfort, taking the citizenship of another country, but yet fomenting trouble in the southeast. And unfortunately, there are a few people that really don't understand what the man's mindset is. He's having fun, enjoying himself, partying and doing all sorts, and yet pushing people to kill themselves. Whatever it is that he's doing has affected the economy within the general area. This Monday sit at home and all these things. But I'm happy that now finally the Finnish government have seen reason, because they were provided all they needed, all the funding he's getting, all the things he's doing. He has taken ownership of the killings. He has taken ownership of a lot of things that have been going on. So they've picked him up now. And I can tell you, the jubilation in the southeast has been wonderful, because people were just tired of
Was there a role played in the arrest of Simon Ekpa by the military by providing information?
No, it's a holistic idea by all the security forces. We looked at where the money, we trailed the money, what he was doing, the comments he was making. He's there live on TV, you know, fomenting trouble, saying all these sorts of things, commanding people and action being taken. And when these things are done, he takes ownership of those things. So these are complaints that
so that is the documentation of all the things,
everything had handed over to them, and they've seen it, and they don't understand that. Look, keeping him there is a minus for them. Yeah, because it doesn't mean well.
Okay, so let's look at this sit-at-home thing. Is it that the military's intelligence is not as good as it used to be? Because the allegation is that the military doesn't even know where IPOB and the ESN, their security agency of IPOB, is. Is it that the intelligence of the military is not as good as it used to be?
You see, one thing I need to clarify. Before now, we used to have conventional kind of warfare. One country fighting another country. Then the intelligence will have to go and look at those things. Now, you are dealing with non-state actors. Non-state actors are just ordinary people. If they don't bear arms, you don't know who they are. They're just ordinary people. So that makes it extremely difficult. And so even with the intelligence that you try to do, you have individuals that you cannot tell what is their intent. And then you have these people with ideologies. Those ones with ideology, there's no way you can look at his mind and see what he's doing. But we're leveraging on technology. We're leveraging on because human intelligence for us in an asymmetric warfare is critical. That's why I mentioned that you must get the buy-in of the communities. If the communities accept them, it becomes more difficult. But if they don't, and realizing that these guys are just using them for what they want, and the communities refuse, it makes it difficult for them to operate. So it's not a matter of intelligence. Intelligence have been coming in here and there. Actions have been taken. But like I said, it's a whole of society approach. The armed forces cannot be everywhere. We cannot be everywhere. In fact, if you put in all the security agencies in the world, in the country, we can't man Nigeria totally. So that's why we need people to also look at what they see, they report.
One of Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside, come tell the general public that anybody that is using his name to collect money from people that is not involved. Let us also watch the video before we jump to inside waiting the north. They talk.
Greetings, great Biafrans. Greetings, lovers of freedom. My name is Great Odumegu, aka Ompa. Please, I want to bring this urgent information to all Biafrans. There is information reaching me that some people are using my name, Great Odumegu, to call people and demand for ransom and demand for money to do work for them, to do something for them. I want you to know this. Biafra Liberation Army can never call you and demand for money for them to do anything for you. We can never call you on phone and demand for money. We don't demand for ransom. We only take whatever come from your mind. Anything that you give to us that come from your mind. We can never demand for anything. Anybody that called you and say you should give him money or give him anything, ignore that person. It's not Biafran Army. It's not Liberation Army. They are all criminals. I can never, I have never, and I can never call anybody and demand for ransom and demand for money. Are you getting me? So disregard any message coming to you saying that you should bring any money, that it is Great Odumegu. No, it is not Great Odumegu. I, Great Odumegu, aka Ompa, can never call you up for phone and demand for any money. Know this and know this and know peace. Okay? Thank you very much.
Okay, my wonderful people, now I want us to watch waiting the northern Nigeria they talk before we jump to another update.
We're against the bill. That is one. Though I have seen member representing Kanke, Kanam, Panshin, called Honorable Yusuf Gandhi. That bill is for him. We cannot work with that bill. The bill, he says it's compulsory. That bill is for him. He's a compulsory, president can give him directive because he know what he's getting from prison. But for we the masses, who are from the north, we are against the bill. That's it all. No member House of Rep can sign that bill for us and then go back to his constituency, come back again. Now final, you can't even win a councillor again. We'll make sure you go back completely. No way. So if Gandhi wants to sign, he can sign it for himself and his family. Not even on behalf of Panshin and Kanam. Because all of us are from the north and we are against it. And all our governors are against it. So I see a reason why he will just come out single-handedly and say, no going back. No going back with whom? 160 ref. Because you are Bajabia Mila boy. No way, Oga. You should bye-bye, Honorable. You can't walk. Go and sign it for yourself and your family. You can't walk. Are you the first person to become House of Ref? Or are you the only person who went to school? What are you talking about? Nobody. We are opposed against that bill. I personally I oppose against that bill. And no Senate or Ref can do it. Already a member who are currently member who are presenting the North. Not like Gandhi is not presenting, is presenting himself. Like Ali Ndume, distinguished senator, have already said death at arrival. Oga, death at arrival. That bill is not going anywhere. Thank you.
What do you say about
No, I had people are saying that he want to contest for a governorship. It's fine now. Your father is the president. You will contest for a governor. That is why they give the company. He's the director of that company, which they give a this thing, 15 trillion. Where are they? Where do they start? They have never even started compensating the people, and they have released money. So you want to carry poor people money, go and contest for a governor. His father is the president, is a governor. That one can't work. I don't know why I don't think the boy is contesting. I think maybe it's just a propaganda from the media. But if it is so, it can't work. Already I've seen some people from Lagos say you have to go Oshun and contest, not in Lagos. Because the father happened to be from Oshun. You only have influence of Abiola to become a governor of Lagos State. That is why. So for him, the father, later then he will come contest for president because we are asleep. Okay? If you want contest for Lagos State, fine. Already it's not from Bauchi where I come from. So if you want contest for Lagos, I wish you the best. Then we know you cannot use Harmony contest for governorship. No way. Why you not contest the governorship since?
What do you say about the leader of Republic of Iran?
No, the point how he said is I'm stunned as a professional. Look, that Netanyahu, Benjamin Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, and the Galan, and even the President Chief of Defense Staff, the three of them support to go on firing escort. Not even this, they're supposed to be life imprisonment, life. And they support even sentence death by hanging because the people they killed are too much. And they are still killing. Even yesterday the attack refugees come. Kill them, they block them from water. There is nowhere in the world they do that type of a war. Nowhere. And people are busy complaining about Ukraine and Iran. Russia did not kill this type of people in in Ukraine. No, they don't do it. This is the worst. And even he kill people from Lebanon, kill people from Syria, kill people in Palestine. He take Palestine land he want to make it for himself. The man supposed to be firing escort himself and Galan and even the President Chief of Defense Staff. Those ones supposed to go by firing escort. There is nowhere you will be killing people like an animal. That thing has gone. That colonist is gone, Oga. It can't work. So I thank the ICC. Let them sentence him to hanging.
You agree for the agreement of Ekpa?
For who?
About Hezbollah and Iran?
No, the agreement of Hezbollah, they should withdraw their troops from Palestine line. Let them withdraw from Gaza, all Palestine, let them withdraw, go back to their base. If they need anything to sign, if the agreement support to cease of fire fight with Hezbollah, because they cannot fight with Hezbollah. Hezbollah, show them what they are. That is why they want to sign, but they don't, because Palestine don't have anything. Any house they attack, they say it's Hamas. Those people doesn't have connection to Hamas with anything. They just kill them for nothing. Why they not enter this thing? I think that he go there on the front line. Why you no go front line for Lebanon? That day when you go, as he run, come back, they attack him. Does he go back again? Why you no go back to their inspection to show where they are in the front line? Are they on the self-defense or they want to enter into Lebanon? In fact, it is an embarrassment. There will be a quick ceasefire in Gaza, in Lebanon, and Syria, and also withdraw all Israeli troops back to their base. Leave all Palestine line. Let them rule themselves. Netanyahu cannot rule Palestine. Let the world know. And I thank the EU. I see what they stand. Yesterday in Italy, I thank the President of Italy, the Prime Minister, and all other members who support him that anywhere Netanyahu might left, they will arrest him. They best by that quarter, and me, I'm fully behind it. And we are campaigning anywhere Netanyahu march for Africa is going, we will arrest him. You said they arrest Ekpa. Why don't we arrest these people from London and arrest on the Agbo, who is their leader, Oga? That is what I say is tribalistic. Why do you go tribalistic? If this group do is different, and that your tax reform, it can't work in the north. No way, it can't work. We have an old senator who are just there for nothing. We have Aliru, Adamu Aliru, who is a former governor of Kebbi State, 8 years, 16 years in Senate. He cannot speak for this bill against the northerners. Wamako, 8 years in Sokoto, he's still as a senator. That Juma Goje from Gombe, all of them, they are there. They are allowed into the fighting with Barrow for nothing. They cannot even support the bill. They just sit down. All those people support to retire them from the north. Retire them, let them go back. How can you be 8 years in the governor, then you come back again almost 16 years? Are you the only person from Kebbi State, Oga? You don't all even you cannot see. And you are still there as a senator, and you are not presenting the northerners. You are presenting yourself and your family. These people should be retired from politics completely. Let us focus on people who are defending the north. And the bill is not going to stand. We are not the Philip. Though I had the Senate president say no going back, he will fight it because he was the governor. He have EFCC charges. They arrest him and detain him EFCC. When he come back, he go and meet President former President Muhammadu Buhari in England. He met him and they pleaded. Then Senator Adam Oshomole, the former governor of this was the party chairman. He came to APC because of EFCC arrest. Later, he became a minister of Niger Delta. He carried charges, come back. There's charges still pending in EFCC, and EFCC did not arrest him. They are always looking for a Habello because the Habello contest President Bola Ahmed. Is it bad for him to contest President, Oga? Me, I go contest 2027 if I want. What is that? If I want, I can contest. I mean, Nigeria is free Nigeria. You cannot afford me not to contest. And this one system party you want to make, it can't work. Say you are, you mean you ask Jonathan how they print. When they print one form, for me a president, he succeed. 2015, you can't succeed, Oga. 12 o'clock, we don't go, we will take you out. All you, then that time, the Sunday president will call and defend himself for EFCC. I see a reason why EFCC will not arrest him and they are arresting Yahoo boy for nothing. He said no going back. This is the same person say they did not approve Senate for president to buy 160 billion. How does he get the money? This is the same person want to launch 15 trillion contract to the son of the president contract. The same printing and minting. Central Bank carry all printing and minting, give it to Sheikh Tinubu. Is not with printing and minting. Printing and minting, they are just there wearing suit. They cannot pray even anything. Everything is with Sheikh. And we, everything is a family government. Any contract goes to Sheikh. Is he the only person? What do you want to do with the money, Oga? What do you want to do with the money? All Nigerian money, what do you want to do with it? You want to put them as a crown prince, like a Saudi or what? You see, we have to stand and talk from the north. Nobody, look, me, I don't fear for arrest, Oga. I tell them to arrest me and kill myself. It's one bullet. I'm retired military officer. Shit with the arrest. And military of France, they don't have base in the north. We will not take it. We will not take it. That contract is between and them. They will only land maybe in Lagos in your house or Lagos house. No, even in Abuja they can't come. We tell them no way. Holy Ghost fire. They can't come Abuja. Especially being from the north. 19 states from the north, including Christian brothers and Muslims. I want us to take care of ourselves and study something. We are Nigerians, not anything but the unity first. Unity first before any other things. If you don't have a unity, there's nothing we can go. So we need unity on this country. Because the present government, President President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GSON, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, is only making appointment on 6 states only, Southwest state, which in Nigeria we have 36 states. So 30 states, including Abuja, were away from the appointment. The appointment only take one side. Check the appointment and check how since he comes. Is that how we are going to continue? 2027, my brothers, let us form a rule party that we can be able to offset this man. Forget about party. Even if APC give him, I'm APC myself, no problem. But let us take a party that we can be able to defeat him, and let us bring somebody whom is tested and trust, and everywhere they receive, including the South, they have a fans. We cannot take somebody who doesn't have a fans and you expect you win a result. We take somebody who is tested, whom people know is popular, he have contested before, then we just now follow and take him as a candidate. In any party, we can score through and we offset this man out. Because we cannot, is the unity of Nigeria. I am Nigeria. I don't care whether I'm from the north or from, but what after is the unity of Nigeria. We have lost that unity because this appointment is going for only 6 states. So people know and people understand, and both of us we vote. Why are we treated like this? So we thank him and we wish him the best for 2027. But let us have now set ready for 2027. We bring a candidate who is well received to the Nigerian and who can bring the unity of Nigeria, because we lost the unity as I'm talking to you. We lost the unity. Everything is from the only 6 states. Is that how we are going to say? From the Southwest? Well, we are 36 states, including Abuja 37, so 31-0. So this thing we cannot accept it, but 2027 our vote will determine where we are going. We don't care, police or soldier, if you like carry all air, from here to anywhere, carry a shield car, carry all artillery, carry gombite, all put, we will vote whom we need to vote.
You
Simple.
decide the person you can contest.
No, we cannot be able to measure the person for now, but we are the person who is tested, well known and popular. I don't want to measure the person. It's well known and tested and popular as the person we are going to vote. We can't vote this thing again. We know all Nigerians. I have so many friends from the east. I have many people from the south. The appointment is not even from the south or from the east or from rather from the north. It's only for 6 states. The cheating is too much and we cannot take it any longer. And we don't go for protest, we don't go for anything. Please put your voter card on your pocket. Don't lose it and don't go for protest where police can just chase you out. Please, thank you.
What is your last message?
My last message is to Nigeria, we have to come together and group ourselves as a broom. we are all Nigeria. Then we start and let us work together. We remain in one Nigeria. And I pray for Nigeria, a Federal Republic of Nigeria. And we are still in Nigeria. And nobody will share us. And nobody will bring war. Inshallah, we remain together.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, I want you to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Do not forget to follow our Facebook page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. That's the only way you can help us. Thank you so much for watching.